cooking at home with Izzy. I hope everyone is having a blessed day. Today, I'm going to make a quick and easy gluten-free and soy-free breakfast burrito. If you would like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's cook. My ingredients today are gluten-free tortillas, fat-free cheddar cheese, egg whites, gluten-free vegan breakfast sausage, and chunky salsa. My plant-based sausage already has some fat in it, so to cook my breakfast sausage, I'd add a cup of water. By adding water to the sausage, you actually remove some of the fat, which is even healthier for you. We are going to turn it to the other side. Now that our sausage is almost ready, it's time to cook our egg white. Add a quarter of a cup of egg whites. Our egg and our sausage are done. It's time to heat our tortilla. Our tortilla is done. It's time to make our burrito. Now just fold it. It's time to eat. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching.